This is a brief video on how to set up the INTEX Deluxe floating surface skimmer. Unbox and lay out all of the parts. Connect the skimmer hose to the skimmer bottom connector. For pools with inflatable top rings, assemble the hook, then insert the arm. Loosen the skimmer screw. Attach the assembled hook and tighten the screw. Place the hook over the top ring near water outlet. Ensure hook is tightly secured to pool. For pools with metal frames, assemble the hook and the arm. Loosen the skimmer screw. Attach the assembled hook and tighten the screw. Place the unit over horizontal beam near pool's water outlet hole. Tighten the dovetail screws to secure. In the pool, unscrew the outlet's filter grid and remove plug, if there is one. Screw the hose adapter to the water outlet's threaded strainer connector. Connect the other end of the skimmer hose to the hose adapter. Place the basket and the float cover into the skimmer. Unscrew the skimmer to adjust the height, and tighten the screw. The float cover should be floating at the surface of the water. Next, turn on the filter pump. The suction from the pump will gather debris into the surface skimmer basket. Before getting in the pool, please go through the pool safety checklist.